rich friends? It's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help people just like you become independent and profitable traders. So if that's something that you are looking for, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you should take your time to explore some of the other content that I have. I have over 300 quick videos going over fundamental concepts that will definitely help you, because it's not about the length of the video, it's all about the repetition. Now, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel and continuing to learn with me. We have experienced so much growth in 2024 that I do want to keep that same energy when it comes to 2025. And my channel wouldn't be where it is without you guys liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. So I'm super grateful to have you here. And I look forward to making more educational content in the new year. Now, in today's quick video, we are going to be going over a couple of different terms that, as a new trader, you should definitely understand, because it is like learning a new language, coming into a new world, and you can get overwhelmed if it is that language barrier and you don't even know what's going on. It's one thing to want to learn how to trade, but it's a whole nother thing if you don't even know what you're looking for or the terms that you will be hearing more frequently the deeper you dive into trading. So today I'm going to teach you a couple. So make sure you have your notebooks, your pens, your pencils, and you really get ready to pay attention to this lesson, because this is a video that you're going to want to watch again. So the first definition is day trading. What exactly is day trading, and why are so many people choosing to explore this as an additional stream of income? Now, day trading is when you buy or sell things like stocks, currencies, or crypto within the same day. This means you are focusing on small price action, and you don't particularly want to stay in your trades overnight or even a couple of days. Now, there is a style of trading called swing trading, which the whole point is to stay in for a couple of days. But if you are day trading, you do want to do everything you need to do by the time the market opens and closes within that day. Now, here's an example. Imagine you go to a thrift store and you see a really nice coat that you buy for $20 in the morning. Now, by the time the afternoon rolls around, you've sold your coat for $30. You've made a $10 profit, and this all happened within one day. Now, this is something that traders do, but instead of selling a physical product, we are actually selling currencies, and we are profiting off of the exchange rate. So, key things to know about day trading is that it will move quickly. You will make your profit throughout the day because the market is essentially open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, aside from the time it closes hourly from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is all about risk to reward. You can analyze the market on so many different time frames, but you do have opportunities to make a profit within the day, right? This doesn't have to be something so long like holding stocks or a different type of trading. But day trading, you will need to understand how to look at charts. You will need to have a solid strategy that you can rinse and repeat over and over and over again. And you do need to develop fundamental skills like patience and risk to reward. But this is something that you can learn as you go. Now, if you guys have a better understanding of the most basic definition of what day trading is, just go ahead and drop a 7 down below in the chat for me, and we're going to move on to the next definition. Now, the next definition is a currency pair. What is a currency pair? Because when you're entering the Forex market, you will see things like EUR, USD. You may see something like USD, JPY. You may see something like GBP, NZD, and this just lets you know the two currencies that you're going to be trading. The first currency is called the base currency, and the second currency is called the quote currency. So in this example, the euro is the base and the USD is the quote. Now, this is important because when you are looking at the price, this is not just a random number. It's letting you know how much of the quote currency, in this case, the United States dollar, you would need in order to buy 1 unit of the base currency. So in this example, we can see that it would take about $1.04 in USD in order to equate to 1 euro. If that makes sense, just go ahead and drop a 7 in the chat. But that is where this number comes from, is letting you know what is the exchange rate. So if we're selling, we know exactly what is our price point. Same thing for if we are going to be buying. And again, there are so many different currency pairs you can trade the euro against the USD, like this currency pair. You'll also see, I'm just going to show you guys some more euro cross pairs. We have euro JPY, right? That's the euro against the Japanese yen. If you just type in euro, you'll see the different ones: euro GBP, euro AUD, euro CAD, and there's so many. So that's one cool thing about trading is you don't have to be stuck into a box. You can really explore and see what markets work best for you and what is the best thing to trade for the times that you are available to trade. Because you don't have to trade 24/7. You can find a really good session and that will help you choose which currency pairs probably will be best for you. Now, the next definition is a Forex session. What is that? If the market is open essentially 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, why does it need these sessions? And this is because the sessions are based on the times that the banks are open in different parts of the world. So although the market, again, I'm going to say this because repetition is what's going to help you learn. Although the market is open about 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, it is split into these trading sessions based on when the banks are open. So one of the first sessions is going to be the New York session. And that's usually between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time because that's when the New York banks are open. Now, the next session is the Sydney session, and this is from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The next session is the Tokyo or the Asian session, which is from 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the last session will be the London session, which is between 3 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, again, these sessions are when the banks are open and you can trade at any time. But if you're trading, for example, in the New York session, it would be helpful to focus on pairs like anything that crosses with the USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, because that is the best time. If you're focusing on the Asian session, you may want to focus on something that crossed with JPY pairs because you will get more volatility simply because that is when those banks are open and more money is naturally going to be moving throughout those markets at that time. Now, if that made sense, just go ahead and drop a 7 in the chat. And you can always just do a quick Google search about the different Forex sessions, and you can base your trading off of that. Okay, I have work at this time. I know I'm off and I have free time at this time. I want to trade in this session so I can make sure that I'm making my profit. Now, another word that I do want to go more into detail about is volatility. And volatility is how a currency pair is actually fluctuating. Is there actually a lot of movement happening in this session or not? So if we look at our current chart, we can see that we are in the New York session. However, the market is not that volatile yet because this session just started, right? It starts between 8 and 9 a.m. and ends at 5. It's currently 9 a.m. on December 24th, 2024. We don't really see too much action yet because the market literally just opened. This session just started. Now, if we do look at 3 a.m., when the London session started, which was here, we can see that we had a lot of bullish momentum. Meaning during this session, we can see how the price went from a low place to a high place. So that session was extremely volatile. We had a lot of activity, and as we can see in real time, a lot of opportunities to buy, right? And because it's not even 12 yet, we had some consolidation. The market sold, right? Giving us more opportunities to make money in the London session. So we can see that last night, going into this morning, the London session was extremely volatile. If that makes sense, just go ahead and drop a 7 in the chat. So far we've went over what is day trading. We've gone over what is a currency pair. We've gone over what is a Forex session, and we've gone over volatility. Now, it's important to understand these definitions because you can see as we are moving through this course, the knowledge is just building on the previous thing that I've said. So you don't really want to rush into your education. You want to make sure that you are laying down a foundation to understand what is actually going on. What is this market? What am I trading? How is this making me money? What is the best time to trade? Right? So watching a video like this, taking notes and making sure that you understand it is only going to set you up for success because now you have a better foundational knowledge of the type of words you're going to be hearing, the type of terms you're going to be hearing, and what's actually going on. So if you've made it this far in the video, make sure that you go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I have so many viewers on my channel, but 70% of my viewers are not subscribed. I really just want to help you guys become better traders, and I really want the channel to continue to grow, and I can only do that with you guys' help. So hit the subscribe button so that you never miss when I post these videos. It will also help to push them out into the algorithm so that other traders are able to see my videos and learn as well. This is really a group effort, and I appreciate you guys for sharing the content and also for being subscribers. So we're going to continue this lesson. I'm going to give you guys 4 more terms that you need to understand as a new trader or somebody who is building your knowledge. Now, the market can be going 3 different ways, but the 2 common ways, and these are the type of markets that you want to trade in, is a bull market. A bull market is a buying market. It means that the market is going up and it's creating higher highs as it pushes up. A bull market is also known as an uptrend. More people have faith that price is going to continue to get higher and higher, so they're willing to buy at a higher and higher price. Now, how do you recognize a bull trend? You can look at the shape. It'll look like it's going up. You will see more blue candles than red candles, letting us know that price was getting pushed higher and higher. And then again, you will see higher highs being created, letting you know that price is climbing. In addition to higher highs, you will see higher lows forming as well. And higher lows are exactly what it sounds like. This was a low, and as the market pushed up and created a higher high and a higher high, it also was creating higher lows. which is also contributing to the shape. That is a bull market, and that's how we know the market is going up. A bear market will be the opposite. It looks like it's going down. You will see more red candles than blue candles, letting you know that sellers were in control during this time. And then you'll also see that lower highs are being created. The market was high, and then it created a lower high, and then it created a lower high, letting us know that price was going down. So we have a bull market. This is where you want to find opportunities to buy. You have a bear market. This is where you want to find opportunities to sell. And then sometimes the market is just moving sideways. Even if you did sell, you're only selling within this range because we can see that nothing significant has yet happened. And this is known as consolidation. Now, a lot of traders tend to lose trades if you try to trade in consolidation because there's not really much that you can do. Consolidation looks like the market is literally moving sideways. So if you guys can see the difference between a bear market or selling market, a bull market or a buying market, and a consolidated or sideways market, just go ahead and drop some sevens in the chat to let me know that you're following along. And I'm also going to just scroll on my screen, and I want you guys to let me know down below in the comments if you can see some bearish movement, if you can see some bullish movement, and if you can see some consolidation. All right, sevens are the easiest way to communicate. It lets me know that you guys are connected with me and that you're getting what I'm saying. So that's really all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to come through and give you a few different terms that you will need to know as you dive deeper into your trading journey. But this is a great place to start. Now, this isn't going to be the only video like this. I will be making more videos to let you know other terms that you guys should understand, like stop loss and take profit, support and resistance. But that'll be in the next video. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss when I post that video. Now, if you guys are interested, I also have a personal mentorship course where you can actually watch some of these videos in a cohesive way that makes sense. So you're continuing to build on your knowledge instead of just learning something random here and there. The course also comes with weekly live sessions and weekly trade ideas that we take as a group. And plus, you'll get to work with me one-on-one. So if you like the content and you like my cadence, make sure that you take the initiative so that you can stick around and be in the loop. But that's really all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.